groundwater control and conveyor system in mines. The project supported by Ministry of Coal, Government of India. She successfully completed the project Emergency Response Support System project funded by CDAC. And her ongoing funded projects include Sustainable Energy System for Achieving Novel Carbon Neural Energy Communities funded by Department of Science and Technology. These projects reflect her commitment to innovation and societal impact in diverse domains. We are privileged to have Dr. M. Brinda with us today. Her address will provide valuable insight into the latest advancement in computer science. To mark this event, I would like to invite our delegates to honor Dr. M. Brinda. Please, sir. We are delighted to have Dr. M. Brinda ma'am with us today. Her remarkable contribution to the world field of computer science and her unwavering dedication to academic excellence. It is truly an honor to have the opportunity to hear from you, ma'am. The session is yours. Please take over.
Take.
Good afternoon. So all of you are first year. Yes, ma'am. Which branch you are from? ADS. ADS, huh? Okay. All of you are from ADS. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So till now, what subjects are you being taught? Oh. Huh? Python. Okay. Then physics, chemistry, yeah?
Chemistry, mathematics,
Maths.
Tamil and English.
Tamil and English. Okay. So these subjects only you are just taking. Okay. And how many of you are from computer science background in your 12th standard? All others are from bio. Okay. So in 12th standard, do you have any artificial intelligence or that kind of topics?
No.
No. Huh? Only Python. C++ only you have. Python you will study, and then no artificial intelligence.
No, ma'am.
No artificial intelligence. You know what is artificial intelligence? Because so that is a very hot topic right now, right? Okay, it is a very what you can say it is an important buzzword. We are just talking about what is artificial intelligence. No. What is artificial intelligence? Huh? Autonomous? Automatic work. Yeah. Okay. ChatGPT. Yeah.
So machines can work like a human.
Yeah, machines can work like a human. Okay, so that is what the definition we can tell. Okay, about artificial intelligence, right? So, like what human is thinking, the machine should think, right? So that is what artificial intelligence is. So, in such cases, to make the machine to think, we need to make the machine to think, right? What steps we need to do?
Questions.
Huh? We need to,
Ask questions.
we need,
We need codings and we have
we need codings to code, okay. So that is that. Then
we have to insert data.
we have to insert data, okay. Practice, okay. Then, building the models, okay. So like these things, okay. Here she is telling that you have to input the data. So that is what the data set is, okay. So to make the machine to think, okay, we go for what? Machine learning algorithms, okay. So there are many learning algorithms where we make the machine to think, okay. So that we use to make the machine by means of developing the models, giving some input, and then make the machine with training with the data set, so that it will just think like a human. Okay, but the problem is if a new data set is given rather than the training, okay, rather than not be trained with the computer, then what it will do? So something we have given to the machine to as an input, and then we have made the machine to learn something, okay, right? So now I am going to give a new input, okay, whether it will recognize or not. No, right? Okay. So that is what difficulty we face while just going for machine learning algorithms, artificial intelligence, and all those things. So for that, zero shot learning and all those things, everything has been built. Okay. So zero shot learning is nothing but at the first shot, okay, it will learn, okay, from the data, and it will think like the human what they actually the human just thinks over for any kind of data, okay. So like the thing is like artificial intelligence simply like what we can tell is, so I am seeing, right, I know you are a woman, you are a boy, you are a girl, okay, but I don't know her name or your name, right, okay. But if I know his name or her name, okay, I will be able to recognize along with the name, right, okay. So like I just by perceiving, I am able to know that this is a chair, this object is a chair, and you are a human, okay, and this is a speaker, okay. So like that, human also can detect the objects and it can tell that this is a speaker, and this is a chair, and this is a human, and all those things. And if you want to recognize individual things, okay, like generically it has identified it as a human, okay, and then if you want to recognize this one is the particular person, okay, then additionally you need to give with the features, okay, many key points like I am Brinda, okay, right, okay, these key points or features can differentiate from me and you, okay. So the such kind of things also need to be incorporated, that comes into recognition, okay. So now I have detected that you are a human, but in order to recognize who is that particular person, additional information. Okay, so like that, more and more information need to be fed into the machine to get the actual output. Okay, so this is somewhat what, as per your known topic, I have just told something about the artificial intelligence and machine learning and everything. Okay, but the topic according to this workshop is what? Blockchain, IIoT, Industry 5.0. Very what? Are you aware of these terms? What is blockchain? What is IoT? What technologies are involved over here, right? So you have blockchain, IIoT, Industry 5.0. Are you aware of any of these terms? Huh?
Yeah.
Yes, tell me what is. Yeah, sit down, sit down. Yeah.
Actually, I had heard about the cryptocurrency.
Okay.
So in the blockchain plays a main role. It plays a crucial role because the information is stored in every blocks and it is connected by chain.
Okay.
It is hard to crack because the information is being shared every time when a transaction is happening.
Okay. Yeah. So blockchain is a distributed ledger. Okay. Distributed ledger in the sense, okay. Suppose there are 5 participants, okay, that are involved in the particular blockchain network, okay. So all the persons should know that if I am transferring, so totally A, B, C, D, these are the participants in the network, okay. I need to transact some amount from A to B, account A to account B, or person A to B, okay. So for that also what we need to do? So these information, this transaction and every details need to be transparent to all the stakeholders that are present in the network. So that is what it is told to be a decentralized and distributed network. Okay? So like whatever the transactions that are happening, it will be known to all the users of the network. That is what it is told to be secure to. Like whenever any kind of modification that need to be done for each and any kind of transaction, that also need to be just done by getting the consensus of all the stakeholders. Stakeholders are nothing but the users of the network, so that it could be done. And it is completely transparent to all the stakeholders, and once the information is stored in the particular network, nothing could be destroyed. Okay, if you want to erase some information, that could not be done. Okay, how it could be done is, it could be added as extra information that this information is a wrong information, and that need to be just, we need to get a consent from all the stakeholders, then only that block also will be added to the network. Okay, so this is what we told, tell this blockchain network, it is distributed, decentralized network. So that I had as the last topic to discuss, because maybe in the earlier sessions and all, these blockchain concepts were being introduced, okay, in the workshop. What about the other things? IoT. Do you know IoT? Yeah, what is that? Internet of Things. Then IIoT. What is IIoT? You are very much eager to tell something. Huh? No. Internet of Things. Okay, so that is what we are going to talk about. And some about something about Industry 5.0. Okay, we will start with what is Industry 5.0. Maybe I can give some basic understanding. Okay, because here more concepts are involved. Okay, so basic understanding of Industry 5.0, IoT, then IIoT. Okay, and finally, time permits, we can have some glimpses of blockchain. Okay, so this is what the flow I am going to follow. So why I have just made this slide is Industry 4.0 cutted down. Okay, and then we are moving towards the Industry 5.0. Okay, so 2020 onwards we are moving towards Industry 5.0. So that is what I have just included this slide over here. What is this? Check card. Okay, so this we used yearly days. Nowadays, I think in no houses it is utilized, right? Any you are utilizing that? Okay, which one? Both are. Okay, maybe it is very rare. Okay. So these things was used initially instead of mixie. Okay, we use the sampical. Okay, for and this one for separating the husk and actually the seedless whatever you have. Okay. Now this one. Any idea? Huh? Huh? But they are doing in a very large business, large scale business. Okay, not doing in an individual home like structure. Okay, where here what they are doing is in a large scale where the husk of which plant, rice, paddy, okay, is separated and then we get the rice. Okay, so this was also used in earlier days. Okay, to separate the husk and the paddy. Okay, this one. This one produces current. Yeah, to dispose the water. Okay, so in various places like, so there will be many places to just for water irrigation. Okay, basically it is used, right? In your, okay, this one. Rice mill ಬಂದಿದೆ. Rice mill ಅದು ಮಾವರಿಕಲ್ಲ ಗೋಧುಮ
நம்ம வரைக்கலாம்டா
மாவரைக்கல எப்படின்னா இதுவுமே வந்து ஹஸ்க் இதெல்லாம் செப்பரேட் பண்றதா பேட்டியோட ஹஸ்க் இதெல்லாம் செப்பரேட் அதே பண்றாங்க இல்லையா ஓகேவா so this also it is used for separating. Okay, earlier what we do by means of hand rotation we do for separating the husk and the paddy. Okay, so now it's not now. Okay, this was also done in the earlier days with some mechanical support, right? Okay, and also some electrical support. Okay, this invented, so for that we utilize this. Some advancement. Okay, what had manually to do all those things we had with mechanical power and as well as electrical power. Okay, we use this for the same purpose but it is in different version. Okay, this one rice mill. Okay, what is this? It is fully automated. Can you see? Okay, so we are just going to give only the paddy. Okay, and then after that how we will be retrieving from this machines? You can see finally rice is just water. We are just having in the packets. Okay, full packets and everything. Okay, it is completely automated. Okay, so these kind of automations, okay, comes under industry 4.0, not 5.0. Not even 4.0. This is 3.0. Okay, so this level of automation, okay, we had only in industry 3.0. Okay, so now we see what is evolution, what is revolution. Okay, so here evolution is nothing but, okay, you can see that this is an auto rickshaw, okay, kind of thing what we used in earlier days. Okay, and in evolution earlier carriage looked like this and we have a more fancy kind of thing. Okay, and it is converted to a automobile later. Okay, right here it is started with the rickshaw. Okay, it started with the rickshaw and then we have a more fancy type of rickshaw and then we have the automobile. Okay, where we have the automated way of running our vehicle. Okay, so then what is the difference between evolution and revolution? What is the difference between evolution and revolution? Evolution means upgraded version. Okay, so in our college days, okay, in our college days, we used to have only button phones. Okay, so that is that mobile phones are frequently used. Okay, that time. Okay, we are just about to use that mobile phone. Okay, so that is nothing but a revolution. Okay, it is a newly introduced one, right? Okay, it is a revolution stage where we are just creating a new product. Okay, so we have the already cable phone and everything earlier. Okay, what we have telephone cable, through telephone cable we are just having certain lines, right? Okay, so that kind of phones we use and there is a revolution that people were using mobile phones. What this one is, which is purely wireless. Okay, earlier we used to have only wired phones, right? Okay, so now it means we have button phone and we have the evolution of the button phone with touch screen. Okay, so smartphones, touch screen and everything. So that is called as evolution. Okay, some more fancy kind of things of what it has been already just created. So that is called as evolution, and revolution is the new one that has been created from the earlier one. Okay, so like This is the analog phone, and then we had the digital phone, and the revolution is nothing but the smart internet. So this is what typically embodies. It was mentioned what is evolution and what is revolution. Evolution is nothing but a gradual process in which something changes progressively. Okay, so that is called as what evolution, and revolution is total turnaround. Suddenly something is invented. Okay, so that is called as evolution. So this kind of, but we cannot have a clear differentiation between the evolution and revolution. Both involved together to just have a good invention. Okay. So industry 1.0, okay, it started with industry 1.0 in the early 1950s, 40s, okay, we had industry 1.0. Industry 1.0, what it is used, can you guess as a typical? It is purely, you are going to be a technology person, right? Okay, at the end of your final year, what are you going to be? You are an engineer with a good technology knowledge. Okay, you have to think as per the perspective and tell me what kind of power is utilized over here in industry 1.0. Manpower with machines are working by machines. How it is working? Fuels, man. Is it electric? That is what I need to ask you. Is it electric here? Then it is.
It is man.
Yes.
Manual?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Technical term. Mechanical. Okay. It is purely mechanical. Okay. So industry 1.0, it is purely mechanical, no electricity. Okay. Only mechanical. Okay. So mechanically, every work was done. Industry 2.0. And industry 1.0, we had only steam power. Okay. Earlier and now, like railways and everything, we had steam powered engine, right? Okay. Like that only it was worked. Okay. So now industry 2.0. Electrical power. Okay, here only the electrical power was introduced, and then we have some sort of automation. Okay, where we had the fully connected electrical lines. Okay, and we have certain automation part of things that has been done over here. Okay, in industry 2.0. 3.0. It is fully automation. Okay, so fully automation in the sense here, no computing power is introduced. Okay, here only we have the embedded computers. Okay, embedded systems. The robots, whatever it is mentioned over here, it is meant for automation. Okay, right? We have the embedded systems. What is embedded systems? New term I am introducing. Okay, what is embedded system? Give an example of embedded system. Give an example of embedded system. In your house, everywhere it is there. Yeah, just tell me. Embedded system. Yes. Speak it up. What? Give an example of embedded system. Maybe it is wrong. Just tell me. No idea. You have washing machine in your house. Okay. What technology is built? It is a part of embedded system only. Okay. So what does embedded system mean? Yeah, tell me.
It's doing certain things. What we are giving, it will do that things.
So based on the specific application. Based on the specific application. So the thing is, whatever the task, as you told, okay, whatever the task that need to be performed, okay. So that kind of task is predefined and it is embedded into the mini computer kind of thing, okay, and it is deployed in the particular machine. That is what, and we don't have much user interface. What is user interface? User interface. Which one is having more user interface? Say for example in your mobile phone. Okay, so you have much user interface, right? You have touch screen and you have many kind of facilities to just scroll down, scroll up, and everything. It is having a very good user interface so that user will never experience that. Okay, we have to keep the mobile down, right? You people are doing so, right? You are not just keeping your mobile down whenever you are seeing something, because it is having good user interface. But if you just operate many things in your washing machine, will you be able to do? Okay, any user interface is there? No. Okay, so we have. Do you just stand in front of the washing machine for 2 minutes more? Okay, there is no user interface at all other than displaying something. Okay, so limited user interface is there for what embedded system technology, but for other kind of computing devices, we need to have obviously much user interfaces. Okay, so like that, why I just told about that is this one is embedded architecture as okay specific tasks are embedded into the computing system and it is deployed so that it will perform such kind of tasks. Okay, so this is industry 3.0. Okay, 4.0. Fully automated. I'm pretty sure it was fully automated in industry 3.0. Then what is the difference over here?
Machine learning.
Huh?
Machine learning.
Machine learning. Okay. Here only computing comes into picture. Okay. So computing is artificial intelligence, machine learning. Okay. Everything. Okay. We have virtual reality, augmented reality. Okay. Such kind of features. Okay. Communication technologies, 5G and everything was incorporated. Okay. In this industry 4.0. What is virtual reality?
Making reality virtually.
Making the reality virtual. Okay, how do you do that?
Digitalized.
Digitalized. Okay, you can make this. Whether you will be able to make this room in a virtual world. Yeah. So you might have seen in many exhibitions, right? Okay, along with this device you will be having. VR glasses. Okay, it is nothing but the haptic devices. Okay, what we are just working haptic gloves we have. Okay, and we have Oculus glasses to view. Okay, so that we will be entering into the virtual world, and we also have some stimulus. Okay, like we can also touch something in the virtual world. That also you might have experienced. Okay, so such kind of features are incorporated in which version of industry 4.0. Okay, next. Then we have made mostly all the technologies over here, right? Okay. What is industry 5.0? Because whatever the technologies till now we had, all the technologies are almost used for industry 4.0. Mainly this cyber physical system, where we involve the physical system along with the computing devices to store. In case of industry 4.0, fully automation and everything we have talked about. Okay, in the industry 4.0. Then what do you think will be there in industry 5.0? There are also robotics first there. Industry 4.0 also involves robotics because automation involves robots. Okay? Huh? Okay, human centered ellame, robots needs to take off. Okay. That was there in industry 4.0. Okay. Then what difference we have in industry 5.0? What is the drawback of industry 4.0? What we are facing right now? Okay, can you tell me what kind of issues we are facing right now with artificial intelligence? Job problem is there. Okay, we don't have any job security. Okay, then yeah, any other thing? Any other thing we have? drawbacks we have due to this artificial intelligence, machine learning approaches. It's more advantageous, okay, like you can do like anything, but there are still some disadvantages. I'm singing some lullaby, I guess, right? Huh? Yeah. So what is the disadvantage? Job security, huh? Scams are there, okay. Then smart? Face morphing, okay, deep fake, okay, deep fake you are talking about, okay. Then, huh? Security where they are facing many issues, okay. So these kind of disadvantages they are telling, okay. These kind of disadvantages are there because of Industry 4.0 just talked about cyber physical system which involves computing and full automation. It targeted on full automation. Okay, it should. It's Industry 4.0 focused on we have to replace the human with robots. Okay, fully automated structure. Okay, because of that we have many disadvantages. Okay, the first disadvantage is, as you told, job security. Robot is doing everything. You have seen which movie? Which movie? Indian. Okay. So in Indian you had seen what are the difficulties we face because of robots. Okay. So that also may happen. Okay. That also may happen. So because of full automation. So there should be a human control of machines. Okay. So for that only we have Industry 5.0. So even though we have full automation, it should be a human-centric automation rather than full automation. So that what human also will be benefited, and also in manufacturing or any kind of industries, okay, which one is adopting this automation will also benefit. Okay. So that is what Industry 5.0. You just tell me Industry 1.0. 2.0 electrical, 3.0 automation, 4.0 fully automated along with computing, all kind of communications, and 5.0 human centric automation. Okay, so that is what the idea of what Industry 5.0. Okay, so what we have now talked about. Okay. Here, mass production, electrical power, computers, cyber physical system, and also we have collaborative robots. Okay, this concept is introduced in Industry 5.0. Collaborative robots. Collaborative robots means what is collaborative robots? The same concept we just talked right now. Human need to be involved in making kind of actions. Okay, why we need to involve human? Because fully automation gives many benefits, right? We can reduce the cost of manpower and everything. Obviously, it is very useful. Okay. Then why we go for this collaborative robots already? Why we need to go for this? So, if you want to make any dynamic decision, okay. So here, my engineering algorithm is trained in such a way that, so like I have built one autonomous vehicle, okay. So like it is traveling like this in your own path. I need to just plan the path and tell you which path and tell you. You have seen that cleaning machine, right? Right now it is very famous clean robot. Okay, what it will do? It is a kind of robot, right? Fully automated. It is very beneficial for the people, okay, who are particularly going for work. Okay, so how it is cleaning? Yeah, we need to specify the path first of all, right? We need to set the path in which way it should go, and then only it will clean and it will come back. Okay, and also we can schedule later also what kind of task to be performed. Okay, so that kind of things are there. Okay, and perfect. It cannot make some dynamic decision. Okay. So for that, definitely human intervention is needed. So for that only we go for what Industry 5.0, that is collaborative robots and everything. Okay. So for taking any kind of dynamic actions, okay, we need involvement of humans definitely. Without that, nothing will work. Okay. So for that only we have the this collaborative robot concepts and customization. Customization is in the sense according to the preferences. Okay. Say for example in the same cleaning robot. Okay. Like I need to customize in such a way that if there are very dark stains, okay, we have on the floors and all. Okay. You need to clean for a certain while in that position itself. Whether it will do in a normal cleaning robot. No, it will not do. I need to, based on my preference, I need to customize my robot, okay, in such a way that there are many dark stains in the floor, means it need to just clean the floor for a certain duration in that particular position itself. Okay. Such kind of customization could be done by means of human intervention only. Okay. So such kind of preferences we need to add. Okay. Then we need to go for what? Human, then automation, human computer collaboration only, not only fully automation kind of thing. Okay. So for that we go for what? Industry. So these are the things, okay, with the proper gear and everything it was mentioned, with the details, okay, like I'm not going into this detail. So like how Industry 5.0 has been emerged, okay, who this means not it is simple term, which the term who has first used the particular term Industry 5.0 is the European Commission in 2014 and 2020 only it has started, okay, and as I mentioned, Industry 4.0 is purely rely on the automation and digitalization, whereas this Industry 5.0 it is a human-centric approach. Okay, so that differentiate between this. So there are three pillars basically about this Industry 5.0. First one is people centricity, and then second one is sustainability, and third one is resilience. Just tell me the meaning of these things. What we have talked till now, what we have talked about Industry 5.0. Just tell me what is the meaning of those terms. It is also there, okay, something is mentioned in the slide as well. You can read that and tell me what is people centricity, what is sustainability, and what is resilience. Yeah. Yeah. What is people centricity? Yes. Completely human to work with. Then it is purely human. Purely mechanical. We are going for Industry 1.0. Collaboration between robots and humans. Okay. So mainly we need to target on the people basically. Okay. So that is the people centricity. The advantage is sustainability. Okay. So we had this job security issues because of complete automation. But since we have the people centric in our Industry 4.0, we don't have these kind of problems, right? Okay. So the workers will be in sustainable nature. So that is what the second point talking about. And third one is resilience. What is that? This is the changing and adapting dynamic situations and all. Okay, how to handle it. Okay, so that should be that comes under the resilience. Okay, so these are the three pillars of Industry 5.0. Like many bodies are there, right? Okay, so this you can see only the highlighted parts like technology. So we have eco-friendly practices, resource optimization, and waste reduction. Not only for people-oriented thing, we have sustainable thing. Since the customization or user preferences also included, so we go for the eco-friendly structure over there. So and the optimization structure over there. That includes the sustainability concept over there. And personalized production, what I am talking about, the user preferences based scenario that could be adopted, and flexible resilient system, and any kind of changes could be adopted easily, and social responsibility. This is also a very important goal of Industry 5.0. Social responsibility, whether we had in the Industry 4.0, no. Okay, so we don't have any social responsibility because we focused on only the automation part. Okay, not for the people-centric scenarios and all. Okay, now we have the people-centric scenario, so we focus on social responsibility, which advances any kind of advancement that should benefit the society. Okay, so and also the job creations we are just focusing on. So this is about Industry 5.0. Some figures, okay, in late 1957. Okay, you know what is that? It is a electronic computer. Okay, how many persons are just lifting this? 30 men are lifting this electronic computer, and it is like a room. Okay, like a container. So you have certain containers, maybe that is used as a house for certain people. Okay, so like that it looks like. So this is what there are 30 men delivering a computer for a particular place. Now we have the person name here, 13 computing devices. How? Smartwatch. Yes. What? Earbuds. Okay. Phone, smartphone itself contains all kinds of computing facilities, right? Okay. So nowadays we are just having more computing devices in our hand, right? Okay. Whether these kind of things exist in 2006 and no, right? Okay. So we don't have Instagram, we don't have WhatsApp. Okay. So before 2006, even I used to just have my WhatsApp by 2018. 13, yeah. But that time it was emerged, but I didn't use. Okay, I started using by 2016 or 15 only. Okay, I think so. Okay, very late. So this one and it was does not exist in 2006, and we see the difference. Okay, nowadays under 2000, we are in 2024, and this even does not exist. But how many people are using that? We can see. Okay, so that is what I am about to tell right now. So these kind of things, without this nobody is there, right? Without Instagram ID, without the Snapchat, mainly WhatsApp, without that we are not just here. Yeah. And here you can see the difference. Okay, like telephone. Okay, to reach many customers in the world. Okay, it took 75 years. Okay. So even in my schooling, okay, we had only in our uncle's house. Okay, normally in my schooling, okay, it is very new. It was very new. Okay, the telephone with cable connection, means wired telephone connection. It was very new. Okay, and then even that will be just there with some houses only. Okay, and it took more than 75 years to have this telephone connection in every place. Okay, and this will, okay, it took 7 years. Okay, and Facebook 4 years, and Instagram 2 years, and Pokemon Go. What is Pokemon Go? It's a game. It's a game, huh? Okay, I don't know. So it is based on virtual reality. Based on the cartoon, huh? Okay. So you need to know what kind of Pokemon and it is there. Huh? Name of the Pokemon.
And for the battles and new matches.
Badges and everything. Okay. game, right? Within a month, okay, all the people were utilizing this Pokemon game, okay. Why I am talking about this is like telephone to reach all the customers, okay, it took 75 years, and for Pokemon Go, 1 month. Why? How? Why and how? Okay, this could be done. Okay, this has been achieved. Yeah, because of internet, right? Yeah, and then
At that time, there is no awareness of
so awareness. Okay, so awareness was built by social media, internet, and everything. Okay, and globalization. What is that globalization mean?
and like
Uh,
everyone is sharing some knowledge and someone is getting the